Do you know, while we're speaking, we are use characters to make our speech more smooth, flowing, and connected. So, if in this video I'm going to talk about characters. If you are ready, to welcome to welcome back to today's video. We are going to talk about characters. First and foremost thing, we have to understand what is the characters and when we use these characters and how we can use these characters in our speech to make our speech more flowing, smooth, and connected. So characters are also known as linking words. Characters को हम linking word के नाम से भी जानते हैं. And characters क्या होता है? Characters are the word which join two words, phrase, paragraph together. That's called character, right? Okay. Let us understand with an example. Suppose I have a two sentences. One is I went to the school, and another sentence is it was raining, right? So if I need to use a connector, so how can I use it? So I can change the sentences like this. I went to the school because it was raining. बाहर बारिश होने की वजह से मैं स्कूल वापस चली गई. Hope you now understand how to use the connectors. Now you have got an idea what the connectors are. Next, we are going to understand when we use these characters. So, whenever we need to add additional information, when contrast the things, when causes, effect, and give reason, and time consequence. These are the reasons to use connectors, right? Finally, we have got an idea what the characters are. When we use the characters, now we are going to see the 50 characters. Are you ready? The first character is and it and is used to connect two ideas and items, right? For example, she studied hard and she participate in the sport. Let's move on our second connectors, and the second connector is furthermore. Furthermore is used for the significant formal information. For example, this project is over budget. Furthermore, it is behind the schedule. Next is also. Also used to for the introduce extra point and fact. For example, he is a great artist. Also, he is talented singer. So another one is as well as. It is used to link ideas and items similarly like a and, but it emphasizes the first item. For example, I speak French as well as English. Now change to the another one is not only but also. Not only but also. It is used for to emphasize two relative characteristics or apply actions simultaneously. For example, it is not intelligent but also humble. So let's move our fifth characters, and the fifth character is beside. Beside used to add extra of often decisive argument or a point. For example, I'm not go outside. Besides, it was raining outside. So it's time to move our sixth characters, and the character number 6 character is but. But is used for contrasting things and ideas. For example, I wanted to go to the park, but it's raining outside. Come on, number 7. Number 7 is however. However is introduce a statement that contrast with what has you just said. For example, the test was difficult. However, she managed to pass. Move on, number 8. Number 8 is although. Although is introduced for subordinating clauses. For example, although he
Although he was tired, he finished his homework. Number 9. Number is even though is used for even though is a stronger than although, to use for contrasting the things. For example, she walked home even though it was freezing outside. So it's time to the phrase number 10, and the phrase number 10 is while. While is used to compare two things and two situation at the same time. For example, some people love winter whether other people prefer summer. It's time to move on our 11th connectors, and the 11th connectors said whereas. The whereas is used for to connect to highlight the direct contrast between two ideas and fact. For example, the doctor's salaries is rising whereas the nurse salaries is remain low. Now let's see the number 12, and number 12 is on the other hand. On the other hand is used to be show a different and opposite side of the situation. For example, technology save time. On the other hand, it causes the distraction. So let's see the let's see the next one. The next one is despite, and despite is always followed by the noun and gerund, and it is show the obstacle is overcome. For example, despite the traffic we reach at on the time. That is for the today. Thank you so much to watching me up to the very end, and if you like it, so I definitely come with the next video, the part number 2 of the connectors. So till you like, share, subscribe, bye bye.